Smarty Sprouts TV.
Is for alligator, snacking in the sun. B is for baboon, who loves to have fun. C is for cheetah, so fast on the ground. D is for deer, quietly moving around. Come on a safari, where letters come alive. With jungle friends to guide us, let's learn and thrive. E is for elephant, with a big loud sound. F is for flamingo, pink feathers all around. G is for giraffe, reaching up so high. H is for hippo, splashing mud in the sky. I is for iguana, crawling nice and slow. J is for jaguar, sneaking low, low, low. K is for kingfisher, flying near the stream. L is for lion, the king of every dream. Come on a safari, where letters come alive. With jungle friends to guide us, let's learn and thrive. M is for monkey, swinging through the trees. N is for night owl, hooting in the breeze. O is for ostrich, running really fast. P is for parrot, whose colors always last. Q is for quail, with feathers small and neat. R is for rhino, with big stomping feet. S is for snake, slithering side to side. T is for tiger, with its mighty stride. U is for uriel, with horns that curl and twist. V is for vulture, spotting food it missed. W is for warthog, digging in the ground. X is for xerus, a squirrel jumping around. Y is for yak, with a shaggy coat of hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes beyond compare. Come on a safari, where letters come alive. With jungle